It's that time. Surprise package time, surprise package time. What did I order? I don't know, 'cause I ordered a long time ago. Surprise package time, surprise package time. What do we got here? A small package. A tiny little gem of something. Oh, look at that, it's not ringing any bells. Bubble wrap. Wait, nails? Getting closer. Oh, nice. These are tiny, all metal, incredibly slow-moving gears. These will allow me to spin something around very slowly at, I think, 1 or 2 turns per second, which compared to electric motor, which is usually measured in hundreds of turns per second, this is a nice slow motion. I have a music box item I am looking forward to slowly spinning once I can figure out how to hook this up. You know what? I think I can give you a demonstration even without hooking this up. This is an optical illusion thing I made a while back. Let me see if you can get a sense of it spinning and how it looks like it continually moves upwards. I wanted to drive this with a music box, but I could never get the gears to work right. Of course, now that I have an electric motor, I think my problems are going to be solved. Yeah, of course, that will be after I figure out how to hook up and use this thing. Alright, thus ends another exciting episode of Surprise Package Time, Surprise Package Time.